Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you on how to unblock yourself on Instagram if someone has blocked you. So let's get started. For this tutorial, I prepared 3 accounts for demonstration purposes only. To get started, let's open our first account. Once open, let's visit to our second account's profile, which we're going to block. Now, let's block this second account so that this account can't see any posts or messages to our first account. Once blocked, let's log out, then log in our third account. This time, let's have some help from our third account. Tap this right message icon, select group chat to start conversation. Now, this time guys, let's select the 2 accounts, our first and second accounts, to add in this group chat. In this way, the account that was blocked by other account can still send a message. Now, let's have a try. Let's send a message like, "Hi there." Then, tap send button. Now let's log out, then log in our first account to send a message to. Let's have a try to send a message to. After sending, it's the final round. Let's log in the second account, which is the blacked account. Now, we will see here if we can unblock ourselves in sending a message. So, let's send a message to, like, "Hello everyone." Then tap send button. And there you have it. We successfully unblocked ourselves on Instagram even if someone has blocked us. Alright? If you found this video helpful, please like and share and hit the notification bell. And don't forget to subscribe.